France is famous for its pastries, breads, and dessert, but some bakeries take these traditions to an entirely different level. From legendary Parisian institutes to award-winning pastry shops, these bakeries attract visitors from around the world with creations that are almost too beautiful to eat. And stay until the end because our final bakery has earned international recognition for producing some of the finest pastries in France. So let's begin. First is Du Pain et des Idées. This is a difficult name to pronounce, so you can check the name on the screen. And this is hidden on a charming streets of Paris. This bakery has become one of the city's most beloved destination for bread lovers. The bakery is known for traditional baking techniques, exceptional ingredients, and beautifully crafted pastries that often sell out early in the day. Walking inside feels like stepping into a piece of old Paris. If you are wondering what to order, here are some few popular choices. Escargot pistache chocolat. You can check the captions, you can turn on the captions, check the actual name, what is the name. And second is traditional baguette, and third is pain des amis. Okay, you can check these three traditional dishes there. The average cost per person is displayed on the slide. Prices may vary and are intended as general dining estimates. There's a tip: visit early in the morning for freshest selection. So our next bakery is Poilâne. For decades, this bakery has been celebrated for its rustic sourdough bread, baked in wood-fired ovens. Its traditional methods have helped it become one of the France's most respected names in baking. The aroma alone is worth the visit. Looking for recommendations? Consider trying country sourdough bread, apple tart, and butter cookies. Okay, so estimated dining cost can be found on the screen, and prices may change over time and are approximate per person expenses. There's a local tip: their sourdough bread travels surprisingly well if you are taking some home, so you can take them home also. Okay, so our third bakery is Maison Landemaine. This is a name, Maison Landemaine. I'm pronouncing it in French. Okay, so this is traditional French baking with modern creativity. This bakery has become a favorite among both locals and visitors. Beautiful displays of pastries fill the counters while fresh bread emerges from the ovens throughout the day. Every visit offers something new to discover. There are some customers' favorite you can try. It is croissant and pain au chocolat and raspberry tart. These three are my suggestion you can try, and customer suggestions also. Okay, and you will find the average dining cost shown on the slides. These figures are intended as a general estimates and may vary. There's a helpful tip: pair your pastry with a coffee and enjoy relaxed Parisian breakfast. Okay, so our next destination is, and next bakery is La Maison d'Isabelle. La Maison d'Isabelle, you can check the name on the screen. This bakery gained national attention after winning awards for one of the France's most beloved pastries. Located near Latin Quarter of Paris, it's popular stop for both tourists and residents looking for exceptional baked goods. Its reputation continues to grow year after year. To experience some of the bakery's standout items, try award-winning croissant, almond croissant, and fresh baguette. Check the slides for approximate meal cost per person, and prices may vary and change over time. There's a visitor tip: arrive before lunchtime because most popular pastries often sell out. So our next destination is, and final destination is, Pierre Hermé. This is a difficult name to pronounce. You can check the name on the screen. This is often described as one of the world's greatest pastry shop. Known for artistic creation, bold flavors, presentation, this bakery has transformed pastry making into an art form. Visitors travel from across the globe to sample his famous desserts. Each pastry looks as impressive as it tastes. Here are some few menu suggestions that you can try, and also the guest recommended. It is Isfahan macaroons, rose and raspberry pastries, signature chocolate desserts. Okay, the average cost per person is displayed on the slide, and prices may vary and are intended as general dining estimates. There's a quick tip: the macaroons make an excellent gift if you are bringing something special home. So these were 5 bakeries in France that you must visit. From legendary bread makers and award-winning croissant to world-famous pastry chefs, each bakery offers a unique taste of French baking culture. So which bakery would you visit first? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing places to eat and see around the world. Thank you so much for watching.